Hello, Bob from Shocker Hitch. Today we're going to talk about our gooseneck surge hitch and the reason that you need one. If you're pulling trailers and you have to put up with the jerk, it's jerking on your equipment, it's jerking on you, a long day, wow, you just get beat to death. There's no sense on putting up with that. Put a Shocker hitch on, cycle that energy through an airbag, nice smooth towing, just voila, there it is. Today we're going to do an installation of our gooseneck surge hitch. We're going to measure our trailer, the drop of the existing stem. In this case, it's 12 inches. Next step, loosen the jam nut. Lift up a little on the bottom of the coupler. Pull the pin. Drop the existing coupler out, and we're going to lift this into place. Once you've got it up into place, put the cross pin back in. Tighten the jam nuts back up. We've installed the new Shocker hitch.